How am I going to tell my family the terrible truth today?
I lost my job, and our savings will not last very long. I failed my family. I feel so completely helpless right now.
Dad isn't angry at us. He is secretly crying all alone.
I must stay strong for Emma and Leo no matter what happens.
He was hiding his big sadness just to protect our happy smiles. Dad hasn't smiled all week. Is he really mad at us?
Honey, your coffee is getting cold. Are you okay today?
Look, Emma, my T-Rex is jumping high over the red block.
He skipped our traditional Friday movie night yesterday without saying anything.
I need to go to the garage now. Please don't disturb me.
You have been staying in the garage for hours every single night.
See? He just wants to avoid us. He must be super angry.
Your dad just has a lot on his mind, sweetheart. Don't worry.
I need to find out why Dad is acting so distant lately. I will sneak outside, quiet as a mouse, and check the garage.
Soft steps, Emma. Don't make any loud noises on the grass.
The garage side window is slightly open. I can peek right inside. Let me see what Dad is doing in there all by himself.
How am I going to tell my family the terrible truth today?
I lost my job, and our savings will not last very long. I failed my family. I feel so completely helpless right now.
Dad isn't angry at us. He is secretly crying all alone.
I must stay strong for Emma and Leo no matter what happens.
He was hiding his big sadness just to protect our happy smiles. I have to go back inside and tell Mom right this second. Mom, Dad isn't mad at us. He lost his job today.
What are you saying, Emma? Dad lost his entire job at work.
I saw him crying in the garage, holding a termination letter from work. Is Dad crying because he is hurt? Can we fix it, Emma?
Your father tried to carry this heavy burden all by himself alone.
We are a family, and we face every hard challenge together as one.
Let's make him a big poster to show how much we care. Yes! I can draw super strong dinosaurs to give Dad extra strength.
I will gather the glitter glue and colored markers from the shelf.
We will write, "We believe in you," in huge, bright rainbow letters.
BELIEVE. Dad needs to know we support him forever.
These dinosaurs will guard Dad and give him superpower every day.
No challenge is too big when our family stands together, always.
Sparkles make everything look full of magic and real hope for tomorrow.
You kids are so thoughtful. Dad is going to love this surprise.
This photo reminds us of our happiest beach trip last summer holiday. Look at my green hands. They mean I will always help Dad.
It looks so amazing. Dad will surely feel our big love now. It is almost time for Dad to come back into the house.
Leo, hold the other side gently so we don't drop it now. Let's stand right here in front of the door together, quietly. Shh. He is turning the handle right now. Get ready, everyone!
I am sorry I was away. Oh, what is all this here?
Surprise, Dad. We love you so much and believe in you always.
Kids? Mom, how did you know about what happened to me?
I saw you in the garage, Dad. You don't have to hide sad tears.
I thought I had to carry all this heavy trouble all alone.
My dinosaurs will give you superpower to find a better job.
Oh, my sweet kids, you have no idea how much this means.
I am so sorry for keeping secrets and pushing you away earlier.
We are a team, honey. We handle hard times together as one family.
No challenge is too big when the family faces it together. Beautiful.
Even strong parents are allowed to cry when things get super hard.
Thank you, Emma. You gave your father the exact courage he needed. Now let's sit down and talk about our plan for the future. Tomorrow morning, I will start applying for new work opportunities online.
Hello, boss. My dad is the best worker in the whole world.
See, Dad? Leo is already your best personal assistant and manager.
I feel so lucky and blessed to have such a supportive family.
Let's celebrate our togetherness with fresh, warm cookies and sweet juice.
The first cookie goes to the bravest dad in the entire universe.
This is the sweetest and most delicious cookie I have ever tasted.
Look outside. The sky is turning bright pink and warm golden yellow.
Dad, promise us you will never cry alone in the dark garage again.
I promise, Emma. From now on, I will share everything with you.
Tomorrow is a brand new start, and we will conquer it together.
We put it right where everyone can see it every single day.
Every time I look at this, I will remember our family strength.
Whee!
Dad is strong again. The dinosaur power is working so fast.
This is so much better than being sad and quiet all evening.
Come here, my observant little angel. Give your dad another big hug.
I love you so much, Dad. You are always my grand hero.
Together, there is no hurdle too high for our family to clear.
I am ready to face tomorrow with a happy and strong heart.
Can we watch our favorite movie now with fresh, buttery popcorn?
Movie night is officially back on, and Dad sits right in middle.
I wouldn't miss this movie night for anything in the whole world.
Seeing everyone happy and united like this makes my heart so full.
Always remember to talk to your parents when they look worried or sad.
Sharing your feelings with people who love you makes every hard burden light. Because when a family stands together, love always wins every difficult battle.
We believe in each other, now and forever, into the bright future.